by the way, this is my output coding in my source code. So I opened online GDB for my source code to run. So here in this part, which is the A, so we have here the class. So the main Java, the animal, the dog, the cat, the monkey. So the animal, we have the codes here, then the dog, the cat, and the monkey. So I put this all of this source codes in one file, but in different class. So first, we talk about we discuss this output. So public class, wait here. So we have the public class main, then public static void main, string arg, then animal, then the name of the animal, the whale and citro, then dogger, then the number and the name of the dogs, then the cat, the number of cat, then the name of cats, and the monkey, the number of monkey, and the name of monkey. So here in public class main, it refers about the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 animals, and we put here the animal code, then the dog, the cat. So here, so the output we should have to run and see the outcome if it function. Yun. The animal's name is so the program finished with exit code. So there is no error on this part of the code. So now we proceed to the animal. So animal. So we earlier a while ago we introduced the part we introduced the animals, and then we introduced the animals, and now we have here the public class animal. So here the name of the name of the animal, the color, and the tag, which is the number. And then here so this is the process when you run the animal. So we have here the classes of animals. So when we run of this part, so the outcome is no error. So it successfully run. And then now we proceed to the dog. So we have the code of the dog. So we have here the animal, which is the main of these three classes. So we use extend animal. So yeah, the breed, then the dog. In other words, these three animals, which is breeding of the animal. So the dog, then then the character of the dog, the tag, the name of the dog. So we put here the name, the color, and the breed. So yeah, so we also use the voice of the dog. So and it ran successfully. Okay, and it's run successfully. And now we proceed to the cat. So we use again we use the extend animal. So it belongs the cat, the dog, and the monkey belongs to the animals. But we need to class this one by one to appreciate and know their uses and functions on how they works. So we have here the cat, then the breed, and the name, color. It's up to you. And then here the characteristic of the cat, and then print out, and then run. So the outcome is yun. The outcome is successful. And then the last one is the monkey. So it's the same, the two classes of animals. So here, so run, then the outcome is okay. So name is yeah. So this the purpose of this coding. So why we should have to to uh, to to separate it one by one to appreciate the functions and characteristic of each animal. So that we use this kind of setup. So yeah, we have the main including the all parts, and we use classes, and overall successfully ran. So now let's proceed to the B. In addition of this part, we use we use subclasses, which is the dog, cat, and the monkey. So the main, then the class, which is the animals, then its subclasses. And we use polymorphism and we use polymorphism and encapsulation. So the output running successfully. So we proceed to B. Now let's proceed to B. So uh, in the A earlier, we tackled which is all about the polymorphism and the encapsulation. In A, uh, we put the class and the subclass. So, but in B, while in B, we need to initiate the dog, the cat, and the monkey. We need to initiate 10 objects in the dog and 10 objects each. So we use the ARI, we call ARI list. So here we always put public when then. So we initiate the 10 objects of each class. So we have here the dog list of the dog, so 10. Then the list of the cat, and then the list of the monkey. So yeah, we have here that the numbers, the displayed objects, and then after print system out, print in the objects of each class. So we call this array list. So when we run all of this code, the outcome or the output is it displayed each. So here, so yeah, so that's all my my source codings in A and B. And that's all. I am Analu Amyang and I approve this video recording for Sir Donnie. Thank you.